Alright, this is the last of the Bobcat 743. It is restored to the point where I am happy with it for our time allowance and budget allowance for this project. I actually have a punch list of a ton of other stuff that needs done to it. I gotta change the front pins and this arm and a bunch of stuff, but we'll get into that in the future. Don't worry, this thing will be back. This thing has been in my friend group for a number of years. It's been in my friend's family's friend group for even longer. This machine has taught us a lot, and I even made a little Instagram story about it that captures the moment pretty well. So I'll post that, despite it might bring you to some tears, but I figured I'd keep this description fairly simple. But yeah, we basically repainted the whole thing, changed all the fluids. It's ready to go. My buddy's landscape company owns this currently, but we've operated it for a lot more years than they've owned it, and it's always been a crappy little Bobcat, you know. And now it's something museum worthy. Not that good, but I'm pretty proud of this restoration. We did all the paint, we did the new glass, we did a bunch of things, and yeah, hopefully one day I will own this machine, and if not, I know that it's being put to good use, being used what it was designed for. It's the Bobcat 743 with a 4-cylinder Kubota diesel engine. Lift capacity is 1,300 pounds, although you can lift a ton with it. You just ride on the front wheels if you're a little bit skilled. Yeah, I really don't have anything else to say except thanks for watching, guys. Really appreciate it. If you're interested in this, I have a lot more restorations coming this way. The next project is a 1960 John Deere 1010 backhoe, and if you scroll down a few videos, you'll see me picking up the machine, and it needs a lot more work than this guy, but yeah, let's get on that one. And please subscribe and like this video. It helps me out a lot, and I know you guys will be interested in the future on the other videos I do. Please stick around the channel. You won't regret it, I promise you. Thanks for watching. Yo. Look at that. It's like Christmas.
Dude, it truly is.
Check it out, check it out, check it out, check it out.
What?
I got it dirty for you already, so you didn't have to feel bad.
Thank you.
Dude. I actually tried wiping it off. I just gave up. It's like,
dude. Yeah. Look at that.
Freshy.
Unreal. This is my favorite part right here.
Yeah. So fresh.
that kid though. But change all fluids.
So I actually redid this one.
Yeah?
I want to see how it locks. Let's get it. Right. A little more forward. Alright. Bring it back. You're good. Right.
Like a vintage Bobcat commercial you're making here.
I know. Happy with it.
What's that?
I'm pretty happy with it.
Dude, it's just unreal.
So Melrose was the manufacturer, and it was Ingersoll Rand. All right, so this is the last of the Bobcat. It is completely finished, restored, back to a part where I'm happy with it. Now, I just want to say a few things about this Bobcat. This is not just a restoration for money. I barely made any off this. My friends who own this and their landscaping company basically just paid me for the paint and the parts I used. I restored this Bobcat because this Bobcat means a lot to me and a lot to other people. My group of friends, we started our businesses with this Bobcat. We built a lot of driveways, retaining walls, learned how to do concrete, learned how to be men. And that, 8 to 10 year span of learning how to use this thing taught us lifelong lessons that you can't get anywhere else. You can't get it in school. And because of that, this Bobcat deserves this sort of treatment. I have 130 hours into this thing, and it's a mild restoration, but it's something I'm very proud of, and I think it's worthy of that. This Bobcat's almost 40 years old, or over 40, it's 43 years old, which is amazing, and I want it to last another 100 years. And not only do I want to honor my group of guys in restoring this, I want to honor the people who owned this in the past. Some of them are not with us today, and I hope that they're looking down in heaven from what I've done here and are proud of it, and proud of me and proud of my friend group, of what we've become as men and Christian men of that. We are some of the most humble, honest, hardworking guys, and I don't say that lightly. And the guys who used to own this are the most blue-collar, hardworking people I've ever met, and some I haven't even met them. But I know that this restoration was done to honor them. So with that being said, I'm going to crack open nice cores, and cheers to that. Cheers to blue-collar workers, hardworking, determined individuals.